Take a deep breath and open your eyes. Out and in, out. Raise your arm and put your arm in the chest center. Namaste. In this class, I would like you to set your intentions for yoga class. Find your third eye, find your drishti. Put your index finger and middle finger over your third eye. And with your thumb and ring finger, close your nostrils. Keep your eye closed and focus on yourself. Now try to relax. Now take off your thumb on your left nostril and inhale the good energy. Breathe in and hold it there. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Don't let it go. Try to relax. Cover your left nostril with your thumb and exhale through your right nostril. Exhale fully with your navel in. Then inhale deeply as much as you can. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And exhale on the other nostril. Feel the negative energy going out. Now let's do it one more time. Inhale deeply. Feel the good energy filling up your lungs and in your belly. And exhale deeply, still with your eyes closed. Let's be grateful for everything that life has to offer. Namaste.